Today's unit will be numbers and another unit about wants. Hello everyone, welcome to our session of today. As I told you, we're going to study numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. And today we're going to focus only on 1 up to 10 to 20. Okay? So we study from 1 to 20 today, both cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. And as you can see, on my left, you have the cardinal numbers. On my right, you have the ordinal numbers, different ordinal numbers. Okay. Before we proceed, as usual, I'm going to ask you three things. The first one, please subscribe to our channel. And the second one, um, please like the video you're watching to allow YouTube to continue sharing it and to other people to have the opportunity to read and learn this English lesson. And the third thing I'm going to ask you, and the last way before you to share this video to your colleagues, classmates, schoolmates, roommates, to anyone you know, so as they can also have the same opportunity you have watching this video now. Good. Let's move. Numbers. Know that 0 is always 0, or you can also say, oh, numbers will allow you to tell the age. Number one, you say the age through numbers. You can also give your contact, telephone contact. You give your address. And even when you go to buy stuff, you will need numbers. Okay. So this is how it goes. Okay. This is how we proceed. We have one. This is one. Cardinal one, ordinal first. Two, cardinal, ordinal second. Three, cardinal, ordinal third. Four, ordinal, ordinal fourth. From 4 of cardinal up to 20, you just add th at the end to form ordinal numbers. But you will have, of course, some exception. Okay? Exception here is made with fifth, and another exception is made with 12, which is 12, and another one will be made with 20, which changes, we change the last y to I, E, and we add th. Okay, good. Now there we go. 1, first, 2, second, 3, third, 4, fourth, 5, not 5, but fifth, 6, sixth, 7, seventh, 8, eighth, 9, ninth, 10, tenth, 10, tenth, 11, 11th, 12, 12th, exception, 13, 13th, 14, 14th, 15, 15th, 16, 16th, 17, 17th, 18, 18th, 19, 19th, and 20 becomes 20th, 20th. 20 changes to 20th. So this is how we say the number. Today, I told you we're going to stop at 20. Next time, we're going to continue with the other numbers. Okay? Now, let's do this. These are the activities for you. Okay? Activity 1, they say share your personal mobile number with your classmates. Make a list of at least 5 classmates' mobile phone numbers. So you share yours to at least 5 people and you ask 5 people to share with you. It can be a classmate, it can be a work colleague, okay, someone you work with. It can be a roommate, someone you share the room with. It can be a family member, okay, on anyone else. So make a list of 5 of those people to whom you're going to share your phone number or your mobile number and whom you're going to ask mobile numbers to. Number 2, we say write in letters the following numbers and discuss them with a partner. It can be a peer, a friend, as I said, or anyone. We have 24, 16, 12, 29, 14, 18, 25, 11, 15, 28, 17, 9, 0, 20, 23, 13. Okay. Now you need to share this with your colleague. Next, activity 2. This is it. They say, what is your first name? Share with a pleased to meet you. With a peer. Okay, remember we studied this last time about the name. Now what is your first name? What is your last name? Can you spell your name? And last, how do you write these numbers? These are the numbers here. Okay, how do you write them in English? Okay, good. Now, this is what you need to share with your partners. This is what you need to share about today's lessons. Number 1, okay, numbers. Remember I told you we're gonna study 2 units today, okay? Number 2 units, I want to plus verbs. How to use I want. Want means to be in need of, okay? To desire, okay? For example, when I say, I want a cake, I desire a cake. I am in need of a cake, okay? I want a car. I want blue pants. We want a nice letter. I want to sing in the classroom. I want to cook beans. Bolly wants to write English. She wants to write English. Third person singular, we add S at the end of the verb wants. Wika wants to become a science specialist. He or she wants. Okay. Mau wants to know English. In group, discuss, complete these sentences. In group of 5 students, complete the sentences with appropriate words or verbs. I did number 1. We want benches for the classroom. Now you need to add words here. Okay. Remember, it is I want and it's also I want to plus verb. Okay. When you say I want to, you add verb. When you say I want only, you add a noun. Like here, a cake, a car, blue pants, nice letter, etc. Okay. Now we are in a case here where you have to add either words like here or verbs. Okay. Now which verbs are they gonna be? I said, I want to sing in the classroom. I want to cook beans. I want to write. I want to become. So what verbs would you like to add here? Joel wants to church on Sunday morning. What is it? You want to. Hard tomorrow. You need to add verbs there. Okay? Good. Now these are the exercises you need to do. Number 1, it translates in English. These are the verbs in French. For those of you who speak French, these are the sentences in French. You need to translate in English. Okay? These sentences are, of course, about the units I want and I want to. Remember, I want, you add a noun. I want to, you add a verb. Now, put in plural form the following sentences. I'm gonna do this number for you, and I'm gonna let you do the others. I want to find a good job. I want to find a good job. The plural form of this will be we want to find good jobs. Okay? I becomes we. Want to find a good job becomes good jobs with S at the end. Now, what about the others? I want a new car. You want an Italian car. I want a cool drink. You want to study English. I want to be happy. I want to leave early. What are they in the plural form? This is for you, and this will be over for today. Next time we're gonna study, I'm gonna complete this ones with the negative. How do you say I want into negative form? We're gonna study that next time, not today. Today I wanted you to stop at this level because we studied 2 units, and next time we're gonna continue this unit and do another unit afterward. Okay, so it's over for today. I wish you have a nice studying time. And as usual, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask them, to write them down into the comment session, comment chart. I'm gonna read and answer them maybe in the next session or right away. Thank you very much and have a nice learning time. See you again.